You can see the cab suspension. You can see the suspension. All right, this is a BAHCO 3/8 impact wrench. It's got an IR type design. The buttons. Got the power select information here. I guess so far it's me and I think it was a Russian guy that did a video. He looked like he was a farmer. He did a video on their 3/4 impact wrench. But so far, outside of the manufacturer, I'm the only one that's posted videos on their impact wrenches. And also this company is owned by Snap-on. It's the European Snap-on. I think they're based out of Italy, but Snap-on, I think Snap-on bought them out like 30 years ago. So, but I got it right here in the USA. And let me show you the box that it came in. Oops. Set that right there. This is the box it came in. I guess those are the 3/8 RPMs. It goes in Newton meters. Okay, and I'm not. I guess that's the air pressure. So yeah, this is the box. Snap-on, a European Snap-on. All right. So now I'm gonna set this to the side here. Now we finna show off another one of my Lego trucks. Let me set this to the side. Pull him over here. I'll move that back over there. Okay, here we go. Move it down a little bit. Okay. I think this truck was built in '95. What is what you call? Oh shoot! It's what you will call. It's an aerodynamic truck. Now this part here of the hood. See, I look at the new stuff now, and they got so many different pieces and shapes that didn't exist, 30 and 40 years ago. So this part of the hood right here, let me take it off. This was made out of soda can and vinyl siding. Put that back on there. 'Cause I wanted an aerodynamic truck. And this truck is based on another truck that I made in '94, which I got to put back together. But this is an aerodynamic truck, set forward axle, and it's also an integrated cab sleeper mid roof. Because in the mid '90s, that was becoming popular in the trucking industry. Now Volvo was doing it since the '80s, and Freightliner started with their FLD model in the early '90s. They came out with the integrated cab sleeper. And then Kenworth came out with their version a couple of years later. But this is integrated, and also it has cab suspension. Let me show up under it. Show you and show up under it. Can I get all that detail? You see the functional suspension. Let me open the hood. Yeah, like I said, I made this out of soda can and vinyl siding just to get that slope look. on the so let's look at the motor, the detail motor. So I guess this would be 500 horse, 13 speed. I guess some of the new people wouldn't know anything about that because the schools are putting out just guys who drive automatic trucks. But back in the 90s and stuff, when I got my license and that kind of thing, it was kind of out there, but you had to know how to shift gears to drive a truck. Let me get my light. Take this off there. You can see the detailed engine. Let me turn it around to the other side. See the detailed engine. Like I said, it had a set forward axle. The one I made in '94, it's got a set back front axle. I guess that don't mean nothing until I show it to people. They just look. That's gonna be seeing this video. But yeah, this, like I said, that's made out of soda can and vinyl siding. They had to paint it. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know. It's been sitting in the box for over 25 years. And I got a black one like this, but it has a different hood on it. I'll put that there. I'm gonna. So I got 3 trucks. I got 3 trucks with cab suspension. Let me put this here. I know this video ain't all that smooth, but I'm just trying to figure out how to put it together. That's the other truck with the cab. So I got one more truck. If I gotta put them back together. One more truck is like I said, it's a sleeper cab like this. It got a little bit bigger sleeper. It's got dual exhaust on the side. This truck here is kind of in between a base truck and a premium truck. I guess it would be considered a premium truck. But you can see the design. See the design in it. I don't know if I can show the difference in the hood. Okay, let me see how the Aerodynamic mid roof. I think I might try to get some pictures of the inside too. See, when I put them nose to nose, and put them nose to nose, so we'll see. I don't know, it might be too long. Let's see. I think that might be too long to put them nose to nose. And believe it or not, this trash truck was more expensive to build than that sleeper cab truck. There they go. Let's see how they're a lot more expensive. See the detail on the fuel tanks, battery box. Oh, I didn't even go over the features of her. Move him out of the way. Move him back over. Okay. Got your fuel tanks here. Got your battery box. Single exhaust. Got a big catwalk. Quarter fenders. Mud flaps. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, get a good focus on it. Ain't get a good focus. Anyway. Get a good focus on it. Trying to get a show the frame. I don't know why it's not focusing good. Maybe it's too much detail there. Okay. Got the window in the back. Okay, I think I'm gonna open it up and try to show inside the sleeper cab. All right, I'm showing it with the door open. This truck has a vinyl interior. Also, you can see up there, I'm sure it has something to point. Okay. You can see the stick shift, but also you can see it's got overhead storage. No grab handles, so you can see boom, 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 boom. And check out the vinyl interior. You got a little open there. Overhead storage. Okay, let me pull the roof off and we can see the inside. All right, I'm showing the inside of the truck. You can see this is the overhead storage in the front. This is the overhead storage in the back. You can see everything. You can see the sleeper, the light there. You can see the sleeper. So now what I'm finna do, I'm gonna cut to a clip that's showing the impact wrench working, and then I'm gonna cut to a couple of clips of showing this truck outside. I have my neighbor push it to show the cab suspension and the rear suspension. I think she almost threw her back out. If she have any problems, I just give her some aspirin or something. But yeah, so I'm finna cut to those clips. Go ahead. Look at the suspension and the cab. I got my neighbor helping me. This is kind of a hard job for her. I'm gonna see if my 3/8 snap-on can handle these lug nuts here. Oh, shoot. Yeah, boy. Snap-on does it again. All right, I've got to show the passenger side. So there you go. Gray vinyl interior. Put this right here. Steps, grab handle, dash. So can I get that stick shift? I'm showing the back now. Oh, shit. Okay, so there you go. These two trucks was built over 30 years ago with cab suspension. This is an Aerodynamic truck, and the truck I built in '94 is even more. It's got the full fairings. It got the sloped under bumper. It got the big swoop on the top of the roof. But yeah, these, like I said, both of these trucks are 30 years old. They both have cab suspension. I think this one's older truck than this truck here. So I think this one's older. All right.